Let's evaluate this expression and keep in mind order of operations. We need to work first inside this set of parentheses. So first we find 5/9 minus 7/9. Now luckily we already have the same denominator. If you need to, go off to the side and rewrite this as an equivalent addition. It would be 5/9 plus negative 7/9, but it'd be 5 plus a negative 7, and you would end up with negative 2/9, and we still have the square here, and then plus negative 2/9, which we'll worry about later. So we've worked within grouping symbols. Then next, remember, according to order of operations, we evaluate any exponential expressions. So remember, this means 2 factors of this. And as a matter of fact, I'm going to write that down so you can see it. 2 factors of negative 2/9. This is what that means. And then, of course, we still have plus negative 2/9, which we'll worry about in just a moment. But what is negative 2/9 times negative 2/9? Well, a negative times a negative is positive, and then 2 times 2 is 4, and 9 times 9 is 81. Plus, now I'm not going to write this down as is. I will go ahead and start writing down negative 2/9, but keep in mind what's going to happen as we work with these fractions. We're either going to add or subtract them, and to do so we've got to have the same denominators. So what would I multiply the denominator of 9 by in order to have a denominator of 81? I'll multiply by 9, and then I must multiply the numerator by the same thing. So let's see what we have. We have 4 over 81 plus, and then that's negative, 2 times 9 is 18, over 9 times 9 is 81. And now I'm ready to add these 2 numbers with unlike signs. And remember, when you add them, you actually take the number with the larger absolute value and subtract the one with the smaller absolute value, because these have unlike signs. So you really take 18 over 81, subtract 4 over 81, and I have 14 over 81. And then what sign do we attach? We attach the sign of the number with the larger absolute value. This has the larger absolute value. It's negative. So our final result is negative 14 over 81.